So today we are going to learn counting. Let's arrange them. So first we have number 1. And after 1 we have number 2. After 2 we have number 3. After 3 we have number 4. After 4 we have number 5. After 5 we have number 6. After 6 we have number 7. After 7 we have number 8. And after 8 number 9. After 9 we have number 10. Let's read it. So first we have 1. Then we have 2. After 2, 3. Then 4. After 4, 5, 6. And 7. After 7 we have 8, 9. And 1, 0, 10. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we have lots of colors. So first we have orange, then we have red, and after red we have purple color. After purple we have brown and pink color. After pink we have black, parrot, green, blue, and yellow color. Now let's move on to our next lesson.